Getting the story on a company is a lot easier if you understand the basic business. That's why I would rather invest in pantyhose than in communication satellites, or in motel chains than in fiber optics. The simpler it is, the better I like it. When somebody says, "Any idiot could run this joint," that's a plus as far as I am concerned, because sooner or later any idiot probably is going to be running it. If it's a choice between owning stock in a fine company with excellent management in a highly competitive and complex industry, or a humdrum company with mediocre management in a simple-minded industry with no competition, I would take the latter. For one thing, it's easier to follow. During a lifetime of eating donuts or buying tires, I have developed a feel for the product line that I will never have with laser beams or microprocessors. "Any idiot can run this business" is one characteristic of the perfect company, the kind of stock I dream about.